Hey guys, so today I'm going to have a look on brand new dash camera from the company called Akaso. Let's get started. So having a dash cam system allows you to record what's happening at the front and the rear of your vehicle at all times. This is great both because they can assist you when it comes to driving safely and can also record the details of an accident right up to the moment of impact and immediately beyond. If you are innocent, you can imagine just how valuable this might be in a court of law. The Akaso DL12 mirror dash camera is the best example of this type of product. It comes with both front and rear dash cameras as well as a mirror mounted screen and control system that lets you handle both very easily. The system also comes with several special features like 2.5K plus 1080p video recording resolution with the Sony sensor, 12-inch stream media touchscreen, 320-degree super wide field of view, enhanced super night vision, loop recording, and parking monitor and emergency recording. Today, let's take a look at these dash cams and see if they are worth your money. So this camera comes with an GPS module that built into the system. This helps to record your real-time location and can even record other data like your current driving track and driving speed. Also, it has a G sensor that can detect sudden collision and log the collision footage, a parking monitor, and a parking assistant. The rear camera cord is about 20 feet long and the entire system is powered by a single lithium battery that can be recharged by USB. And when it matters the most, like with the night vision capacity, the DL12 actually comes through pretty well. Ultimately, the Akaso DL12 mirror dash cams are a good piece of hardware that can help you be a safe driver and protect you in the event of an accident. Their video quality is so good, but unfortunately they are not wireless. I would recommend it for anyone who wants to ensure their best odds of success in a traffic accident, court case, or if they want extra viewing angle on the road. So guys, see you in the next one.